In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom phone wallpaper using CapCut. Let's get started. Open CapCut. On the home screen, tap the Image Editing tab. Here, you'll see a variety of preset templates. Select the wallpaper category, then select a design you like. Tap on it to open it in the editing tool. Inside the editing window, you'll see default images used in the preset. You can delete these default photos and replace them with your own by uploading images from your device. Once uploaded, tap on your image to select it. In the previous screen, adjust the scale and position of the image to fit the layout perfectly. If element overlap, you can rearrange the layer order so things appear correctly. Now if your photo include a subject and you want to remove the background, then tap Remove Background from the toolbar and select Auto Removal. Now, you can add a new background by importing another image and repeat the process of rescaling and repositioning it in the previous screen. Arrange the order of layers to your preferred design. After that, let's rescale and reposition the text to your liking. When you're happy with your custom wallpaper, tap the download button to save it to your device. And that's it. You've just created a personalized phone wallpaper using CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!